Not sure what kind of toxic he is eating or drinking, because nowadays my beloved is faithful to all. Don't know what kind of toxic he is eating or drinking. Suddenly my love is loyal to everybody. The days you live with secrets are now definitely gone. Now he looks straight in my eyes when he makes up his lies. Yes, I know very well that we are never gonna last, that I'm not the one I bet you need to satisfy your thirst. Right in front of me you've been stalking someone